Hey YouTube explorers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting guide for those who want to customize their YouTube experience based on location. We'll discuss how to change your location on YouTube, unlocking a world of customized content. Let's get started. Open the YouTube app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account for these changes to take effect. First, look for your profile picture in the lower right corner and click on it. And then on the new page in the upper right corner, click on the gear. After that, look for the General option and click on it. In your account settings, find Location or Location Settings. This is where the magic happens. Just by clicking on that option, a list of all the countries in the world will open. You choose which one you want. After entering the new location, confirm your selection. The app may ask you to restart. Go ahead and do that to apply the new location settings. With your location changed, explore YouTube and notice how your content recommendations adapt to your chosen location. And here it is. Changing your location on YouTube is a simple yet powerful way to personalize your content experience. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comments if you want to know more about YouTube or any other app. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed yet, press the subscribe button. Until next time, happy exploring.